The engine mounts, yellow arrows, are located at the rear of the engine compartment on both sides of the airbox, red arrow. You will not be working on the top of the mount and do not need to touch the upper hardware. Support the engine from below with a jack and a piece of wood. You never want to put just a jack under the engine, as not dispersing the load can damage your oil pan. You just want to support the engine and not lift the car. Before you begin lowering the engine, have a look at the cross member below. You do not want the engine resting on this, red arrow. Working under the car, loosen and remove the T55 nut, red arrow, that holds the mount to the engine carrier. Make sure the engine is well supported before attempting this and check as you go. You want to loosen them equally. Try one side while the engine is fully supported. The nut comes off the thread it back on. Count the turns it takes to unthread the nut and then make sure you have a couple of full turns back on when threading it back. Do both sides and then slowly lower the jack until the engine is resting on the nuts. I like to leave the jack in place while working. Installation is the reverse of removal. Torque the T55 nuts to 86 Newton meters or 63 foot-pounds. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.